Recently, we caught our first glimpse of Samsung's upcoming flagship tablets, the Galaxy Tab S10 series, which consists of just two models, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Tab S10 Ultra. This is a departure from the previous lineup that included a standard version. Today, thanks to Android headlines, we have fresh renders of both the Galaxy Tabs. These visuals showcase the tablets from the front along with their S Pen. As evident, their design mirrors that of the current models, featuring a sleek, symmetrical, and modern aesthetic. The new images don't reveal anything groundbreaking. The larger tablet appears to be around 14 inches, complete with a camera notch and balanced bezels. In contrast, the smaller model seems to have a more compact design, lacking a camera notch and likely housing its lens within the top bezel. This isn't our first encounter with the series. Earlier leaks provided insights into the Galaxy Tab S10's operating system and similar hardware. While there's not much new information to extract from these leaks, it's beneficial to see the two tablets compared side by side. Unfortunately, the leak doesn't include any specifications, leaving the exact screen sizes uncertain. It's possible that Samsung will maintain the same dimensions as the Tab S9 series, or they might adjust the sizes to account for the absence of a base model. Sadly, that's all the latest leak has to offer. However, we have a solid understanding of what these tablets might bring to the table, thanks to earlier leaks. It could be a smart move for the company to rebrand the standard Galaxy Tab S10 as the Galaxy Tab S10 Fan Edition when it launches. The series boasts impressive specifications, and a more affordable price would certainly be welcome. There's no clear timeline for when Samsung will unveil the new Galaxy Tab S10 series, but it's likely to happen before the year wraps up, especially since we have marketing images in hand. These images often indicate that a release is on the horizon. Reports suggest that the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus will feature a 12.4-inch display, while the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will sport a 14.6-inch screen, mirroring their predecessors. Samsung plans to power these devices with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, one of the most formidable chipsets available, ensuring these tablets are true powerhouses. A recent report indicates that Samsung will begin mass production of these tablets this month, aiming for an October launch. They will directly compete with Apple's iPad Pro 11 and 13. As we approach the launch date, we can expect more leaks to surface, providing additional insights into these devices. Until then, be sure to check out our channel for the latest updates, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.